Hey everyone, and welcome back! Today we're exploring press-on nails for beginners. If you want beautiful, easy, and damage-free nails at home, this video is for you. We'll cover their benefits, how to apply them for the best results, and safe removal. Let's dive in. Press-on nails are pre-designed artificial nails applied with adhesive, offering a quick and affordable manicure solution. They are incredibly easy and fast to apply, taking just minutes with no drying time. Costing less than salon visits, they're budget-friendly. When applied and removed correctly, they're gentler on natural nails than traditional extensions. Plus, they offer endless variety for any style and are perfect for temporary looks. For application, prep is key. Push back cuticles, gently buff your nails, and clean them with an alcohol wipe. This ensures longevity. Choose the right size for each nail. Apply a small amount of glue to your natural nail or use an adhesive tab, then firmly press the artificial nail from cuticle to tip for 20-30 seconds. Avoid water for an hour or two post-application. For removal, soak hands in warm, soapy water with oil for 10-15 minutes, then gently peel off. Never force them. And there you have it. Press-on nails are a fantastic, accessible option for instant nail transformations. They offer convenience, style, and a gentle way to achieve beautiful hands. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe for more tips. Comment your questions or experiences below. You'll find links to some recommended products in the description. See you next time.